Welcome to the new podcast. I am Shalini, your host for today. We have Dr. Surbhi with us, and she will be answering some of the burning questions about twin flame dynamics. So, Dr. Surbhi, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling fantastic and I'm so happy that we are making the second podcast today and just ready to answer all the questions that you have in store for me. So let's do it. Yeah.
So, my first question would be Dr. Surbhi, someone who might have known about the twin flame journey, they get to know about the twin flame dynamics, then how will they exactly know that they have found their true counterpart and the divine masculine or the divine feminine?
So that's an interesting question, Shalini. See, the twin flame journey is not that easy to navigate. The actual divine counterpart enters your life at a very divine timing, as we have already discussed in the podcast before. How do we get to identify that yes, this person is my real twin flame? So there are a couple of signs. Now I'm not going to talk about the signs that I have already shared, okay, in the previous one. Let us talk about some of the new signs that we have. So now there are some very peculiar signs that indicate that yes, this is a twin flame dynamic, okay. One most important sign is that both the twin flames will mirror each other's energy. For example, as a divine feminine, if in this moment, if I pick a cup of coffee and I start drinking it, I would get to see that my divine masculine is actually picking a cup of tea and he is drinking tea because we are equal and opposites of each other. So this is one of the mirroring, the mirroring effect is so profound in the twin flame journey that you get to know and you get to feel that yes, this person is exactly acting just like me. You get the feeling that he is just like me. That knowing is coming from the previous lifetime, the past lifetime. And another sign that indicates that you are in a twin flame dynamic and not a soulmate or not a karmic dynamic is that your spiritual awakening begins. Now, even before the Kundalini awakening, when the twin is just about to enter your life, you will gather a lot of pranic shakti inside your being. The prana activates, which is the first stage of the spiritual awakening. Even when the twin has not entered, you will feel that I am on a different path, and this path is not the same that other people are leading. You could be feeling that what kind of journey is that? Like, I am doing everything that's different from how the world has been operating. And as you walk on this path, you get to understand that now I am on the hero's journey. This is the journey of the hero. And on this hero's journey, lot of ups and downs will come. And finally, when you have gathered enough prana, enough pranic energy in yourself, then the twin enters your life to show you what you are capable of, what is your soul's mission, what you can achieve in this lifetime, and how you can manifest your true divine self. So the twin is here to awaken you. So these are some very different signs that what I have mentioned already in the previous podcast. So I want the viewers to go back to those videos, see those videos, compare all the signs together and identify it for yourself whether you are in a twin flame dynamic or not. Dear twin flames, you have done it all. You have taken tarot sessions, Reiki healings, crystal sessions, Akashic readings, and everything that you could try. Some of you have even tried to manifest your twin flame using the law of attraction, but you still feel the rejection by the twin flame. You still feel that emptiness within your heart and the pain of the Kundalini and its symptoms. Now, how do I know that? Because I was there too. After long excruciating phases of remaining in separation, I have united my twin soul within myself spiritually, which I also call the state of permanent spiritual union. And now I have made it my life's greatest mission to lead the twin souls towards their spiritual union. It is within my coaching program that I have combined all the wisdom and practices that I have personally implemented in my own journey so that you can also benefit from it in the same ways I did. If you are looking for a permanent spiritual union with your twin flame, you have arrived at the right place. For registrations and inquiries, you can reach out to me on my Instagram, where I will personally answer your queries and lead you ahead. Since I only open 10 spots every month, I look forward to helping you, my friend, and you might not want to miss on this opportunity. See you on the other side.